Hey everyone! If you're running a small business, a side hustle, or you're just looking for ways to create professional visuals without breaking the bank, then today's video is for you. We're diving into Artspace AI, an AI-powered design platform that helps you create high-quality images, graphics, and even marketing visuals in just a few clicks. I'll break down the features, the benefits, and how it can specifically help small business owners and side hustlers like you save both time and money. Stick around to the end because I'll also share some real-world examples of how you can use it right now to grow your business. So, what exactly is Artspace? Think of it as your personal design assistant powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of hiring a graphic designer or spending hours learning Photoshop, you can type in a description or upload a starting image, and Artspace AI generates professional visuals instantly. It offers things like text-to-image generation, seed image guidance so you can influence the look of your design, inpainting and outpainting to edit or expand images, and a super handy magic button that lets you upscale, restore, remove backgrounds, and even swap faces. And the best part, the outputs go up to 4K resolution, which means you can use them for websites, print, or even merchandise. Now, let's get into the good stuff and why this actually matters for small businesses and side hustlers. It's cost efficient. Hiring a designer can cost hundreds of dollars per project. With Artspace, you can create logos, social media posts, product designs, or even flyers for just a few dollars a month. Or if you prefer a one-time lifetime plan. For anyone just getting started, that's a huge money saver. It's fast. Instead of waiting days for a freelancer to deliver, you can generate multiple designs in seconds. Need a fresh Instagram post, a new t-shirt mockup, or a thumbnail for your YouTube channel? Done in minutes. It's flexible and has many options to choose from. Artspace AI has multiple models, photorealistic, anime, abstract, and more. You can tailor the style to fit your brand. Plus, since it allows high-res output, you can go from social media graphics to print quality design seamlessly. It's also easy to use. It's designed for non-designers. Even if you've never touched Photoshop in your life, you can jump in, type a simple prompt, and get a usable result. And if you're more advanced, you still get control with things like prompt formulas and seed image options. And if you don't know how to do something, there are several tutorials on their website that will teach you. Another great benefit is that the commercial rights are included. Everything you create can be used legally in your marketing, merchandise, or even client work. That means if you're running a print-on-demand store, selling on Etsy, or creating branding for clients, you're fully covered. So let's talk about some practical ways you can actually use this. One way to use it is for social media content creation. Imagine you're a small bakery. You could create stunning product shots or fun seasonal graphics without needing a photographer. Print on demand is another great way to use Artspace. If you're running a t-shirt business, you can generate unique illustrations and put them straight onto products. It can also be used for marketing materials. Flyers, posters, business cards, you can design them quickly, save in high-res, and print. Websites and blogs. Instead of generic stock images, you can have one-of-a-kind visuals that make your brand stand out. Creative side hustles. Think book covers, art prints, NFTs, or even custom client work. Basically, if your business needs visuals, and let's be honest, almost every business does, then Artspace AI can handle a huge chunk of that for you. Now, to keep it balanced, let's talk about a couple of things to watch out for. Sometimes the results depend heavily on how good your prompts are. There is a bit of a learning curve to really nail the styles you want. And while the platform is super easy to use, remember, it's still AI. Sometimes you'll need to tweak or regenerate a few times before you get that perfect design. All in all, Artspace is an amazing tool for entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and small business owners who want professional visuals without spending a fortune. If you're building your brand, selling products, or just need content that looks sharp and polished, this could save you tons of time and money. If you want me to do a hands-on demo of Artspace and show you how to generate designs step by step, drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and side hustle tips, and share this with someone who's trying to level up their business on a budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.